They were warned not to enter. This volcano is active, unpredictable, and deadly. But 20 hikers ignored the warning, and within seconds, everything changed. In the remote islands of Indonesia lies one of the most dangerous volcanoes on Earth, Mount Volcano. This is not just a mountain, it is a constantly erupting force of nature. Since early 2024, it has erupted nearly 200 times, sending massive clouds of ash high into the sky and covering entire areas in darkness. Authorities had already issued strict warnings. Climbing was completely banned because when this volcano erupts, it can send ash more than 6 miles into the sky, turning daylight into night and the air into something almost impossible to breathe. But despite all the warnings, a group of 20 hikers made a decision. They chose to go in anyway. For them, it felt like an adventure. The sky was clear, the air was calm, and nothing seemed out of place. It felt safe, and that false sense of safety was the most dangerous thing of all. Then everything changed. A deep rumble echoed beneath their feet. At first it was subtle, almost ignorable, but within seconds the ground began to shake violently. And then came the explosion. A massive column of ash shot into the sky with incredible force. It spread rapidly, faster than anyone could react. Bright daylight disappeared, replaced by thick darkness, and visibility dropped to zero. Panic took over. People started running in every direction. Some were screaming, others were frozen in shock. Hot ash began to fall from above, burning skin, filling lungs, and making every breath painful. The air became heavy and toxic. Each second felt longer than the last. Some hikers lost their way completely, unable to see even a few steps ahead. Others couldn't keep up and collapsed under the pressure, the heat, and the lack of oxygen. In that moment, there was no control, no plan, and no escape. When rescue teams finally arrived, they found chaos. The ground was covered in ash, the air still thick and dangerous. Several people were injured, and some had already lost their lives. All of this happened because one warning was ignored. The truth is, nature does not negotiate, it does not give second chances, and it does not care how prepared you think you are. Mount Volcano is still active today. It continues to erupt again and again. The danger has not disappeared. And the real question is not what happened that day. The real question is, if you were standing there, knowing the risks, hearing the warnings, would you have walked away or taken one step closer?